Hello, this video is on how to format strings in Python. If we make a variable called bananas and assign it the value of 5, and make another variable called apples and assign it the value of 7, we can make a total fruit variable and set it equal to bananas plus apples. And if we want to print out a message to the user, we could concatenate it in several ways. One way we could do it is without a formatted string, which is a lot more complex because you need a whole lot more commas. Your total fruit is, and we would have to do a comma and add in total fruit. When we click run, we see your total fruit is 12. If we then want to add more to this print string, it can get a little messy because we have to do a comma, apostrophes again, and say something like this is the sum of comma bananas, comma, we got to do a string again, and then a comma, apples, and when we click run, we see that your total fruit is 12. This is the sum of 5 and 7. But look how many commas there are and how separated all the strings are. We can format this in a string by doing print, but instead of the apostrophes, we hit F for formatted string. And we can type it much more neatly. Your total fruit is total fruit. And we use these curly bracers here. And so right after that, I can just hit a period and add that into my string. And we can say bananas and apples. And it's a much cleaner way to print your strings out. Don't forget your apostrophe at the end because you have this entire thing as a formatted string. So both lines printed out, but one is a little bit neater in its structure than the other.